Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and for all of you that perhaps wanted to be part of the On Wanderlane incredible Block of the Month quilt by Nancy Halvorsen, but maybe missed out, or maybe you're a new customer from Shabby Fabrics and didn't even know it was happening, we are answering prayers today because by popular demand, we're offering this incredible Block of the Month quilt for the third and final time. This is On Wanderlane. This is a Nancy Halvorsen masterpiece. She has been one of my personal favorite designers for decades, and she continues to design amazing fabrics. These are all her fabrics, and she's a brilliant designer. So let me tell you how you can jump into this. Limited spots, as always. If you missed out before or you're just seeing this, you're going to want to give me about 10 minutes and you're going to be so glad you did. So as you can see, On Wanderlane is kind of this celebration and embracement of each month of the year. Each month, as we know, has something amazing to offer. Here in January, it's snowing. We're building snowmen. That is showcased here. We get the sleds out and the kids are excited, and it's a very magical but cold time of the year, right? As we continue on, of course, we have our celebration for Valentine's. And as you can look at this quilt, each of these is a celebration of what that month is very much for. And as if that wasn't enough, all of that is surrounded by these incredible patchwork blocks. So this is one of those quilts that you're going to invest your whole heart into and be so proud to display. You are going to get compliments, and these are conversation starters because you don't just walk by this quilt, you stop and you study and embrace it. Now, in addition to incredible appliqué, patchwork, one of the things that Nancy Halvorsen loves is hand embroidery and button embellishments. So we're going to pan around this quilt, and you're going to see that besides her amazing fabrics, her incredible appliqué, and just amazing patchwork, that hand embroidery detail and the button pieces here, many of them handcrafted here in the United States. There's over 65 buttons here. This is all what makes this quilt so absolutely magical. In addition to that, Nancy has wrote a specific book for each of the portions of this quilt. Now, because we have done this now, this is our third time, and many of the other projects inside these books include wall hangings. Each, by the way, is available as a kit on our website. And there's smaller projects in here as well. Because many of you have either been in our wall hanging club or perhaps our mini quilt club, we know that many of you have these books. So for this program, just like we did before, you're getting all of the exact fabrics you see with no substitutions, all prefused and laser cut applique, and all of your embroidery. That's included. But this time, we're making the books an option. So if you've been in our wall hanging club, maybe you've been in that mini quilt club, that's the book you would have already had. That way, when you get in our program, if that's you and you already have the books, you'll just say, no, I don't need the books. But if maybe you are that new customer, or maybe you weren't in those programs, when you choose this program, you'll say, yes, I need that book. And you will be getting this. And like I said, look at the projects. There's so many available. So you'll not only be able to make the quilt, but all of the projects inside. We have kits available for the wall hangings. We also will be having the some of the mini quilt projects that are on that small little display. And we have the On Wanderlane fabric, as well as her basic Whisper Weave 1 and 2. So if there's other things in the book you want to do, you can just pick up the yardage and do that. Let's talk about the other options in this program, because there's more options in this program than there are in normal programs. The other option is the buttons. We know some of you have baskets full of buttons. Maybe you've been given, maybe they've been handed down, and you want to personalize your quilt with your buttons. For that reason, if that's you, you'd say, no, I don't want that button set. But if you're like, I love the buttons that I'm seeing, the cute bumblebees, many of these are handcrafted again here in the United States. If you're like, yep, I just want those buttons, you will choose that button set. So we're giving you a lot of the kind of create your own journey options with this program because we know we want this to be exactly what you want it to be. If you want to use the exact thread set that we use to stitch down all of the applique shapes, this is going to be something that you'll want to reserve. That's a 50 weight sulky cotton thread set that, again, you can make a small deposit to reserve that. Now, we know quilts of this caliber deserve the perfect backing, and this, to me, is one of the most endearing fabrics. It's part of the quilt. It is what we use as the backing on our own. And for me, this is a no-brainer. This is one I would absolutely choose. You might have a room full of thread and don't need the thread. I get that. But this is a very unique fabric, obviously part of Nancy's collection as well. Because we have very specific piecing here, we found these were the rulers that we used when we made all of our various wall hangings. And I can't wait to tell you about the tutorials, by the way. There's a lot for you to be able to access on YouTube, free, of course. But if you want to know the exact rulers and get the exact rulers that we use to put together all of the patchwork blocks, you can also reserve the Creative Grid. It's a 5-piece ruler set. But if you've already got your your perfect setup in your sewing room and you're very comfortable with the rulers you have, you don't need that. But again, if you're maybe just coming into this and you are going to be following along on the videos we've already recorded, these are the rulers you're going to be seeing us use, of course. This is the wafer light box, and this is the applique mat. What is this business all about? We don't move these pieces onto the background one by one. These are pre-fused and laser cut for you. We've taken all of that work out. This is maximum fun, right? None of that tracing and cutting. We get the layout diagram. Nancy's done an amazing job in her books. We get out our light box, we lay that down with the applique mat, and those shapes, we can see it when we turn that light on, it illuminates, it's like a road map where we get to pre-assemble these sections, merge them together so we're bringing them onto the background, and the registration's just perfect. It's an amazing process. But like I said, when we filmed the videos, actually for the wall hanging club here, the blocks that you see surrounding that center applique, guess what? They're the same blocks that are bracketing the center of all of this applique. You can go back right now and watch all 12 of those videos in that instruction that we talked about for the blocks in the wall hanging. It's the same size block, the same technique for every single thing around this. The most important thing today is always getting your spot in the program. You can always pick up notions, but getting your spot in this program, because we had to make a final guess. This fabric will not be printed much longer. We know it won't, right? This has been printed longer than we even expected. But with our begging and pleading and maybe even some prayer, they have agreed to print again one last time. So if you missed out before or you're seeing this for the first time, head to the website without delay. Before you do anything else, grab your spot in this program, grab that backing, your thread set, the buttons, the patterns if they make sense for you, the rulers, and of course, any other notions you might need.